Your therapy device is now connected with Prisma app. Now you can easily create your own user account. With a user account, you have access to your data anytime via your email and a chosen password. That is just faster, more comfortable, and safe. Additionally, you have access to further features like your own therapy diary and setting weekly goals. But you can also use Prisma app with small limitations without a user account. To create a user account, go to Other and then press the symbol on the upper right side. There you have the possibility to create an account by telling your email address and choose a password. Confirm your email address and your user account has been created. If you already have a user account, you can also lock or unlock in this area. And now have fun with Prisma app.